Microbiological organisms concentrations, including zooplankton and phytoplankton, are crucial indicators for assessing water resources and drinking water quality. The presence and concentration of these organisms can directly and indirectly impact water health. The conventional method for biological assessment is classic microscopy. However, this technique is time-consuming and prone to errors. This is where MicroID comes into play. MicroID combines the technologies of automation, digital imaging, artificial intelligence, and deep learning. It consists of two main components, an intelligent lamella scanner and an AI model for organism detection. The first component is compatible with all optical microscopes and can be easily installed with minor modifications to the device. This allows for the automatic digital scanning of the lamella containing a biological sample. Subsequently, the AI model analyzes the collected images to identify potential microorganisms. With the integration of deep learning and image processing techniques, MicroID has the capability to detect harmful phytoplankton and zooplankton within a size range of 20 micrometers to 1 millimeter. It also provides a wide range of reports and alerts. Water facilities can utilize MicroID for both online and offline monitoring of water quality and safety, enabling them to remain vigilant against possible contaminations. Additionally, MicroID can be connected to WaterSys, an intelligent water sources and supply management system.